Good morning to you. It's 4 a.m. on this Tuesday, September the 6th, and here are today's top headlines. A fast-moving wildfire claiming the lives of 2 people, and that fire continues to burn overnight in Hemet. We have the latest on the evacuation orders currently in place.
Cybercriminals target the LA Unified School District. What we're learning about a ransomware attack over the weekend.
And an outdoor watering ban takes effect this morning, impacting millions of LA County residents. How long it'll be in effect. The early edition of the Ktla Dt Morning News starting right now. And good morning to you. I'm Chris Schauble.
I'm Megan Henderson. Appreciate you being with us. Check your Rose Virginia shortly. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, do we really want to talk
No.
about it? I know.
But we have to.
Maybe we could say slightly cooler today?
Yeah, there you go. Is that
I
true?
really thought, how dare I question you?
No, you thought
said
right.
It might
You thought right. I'm just trying to make it fit better. It depends on you will be slightly cooler today.
Okay,
the rest
good.
of us.
It was 108 in my head yesterday, so
Yeah.
it was plenty hot.
Well, I
It
guess
was
what I'm trying to
108,
say is
really? Wow.
slightly cooler for 108 might be 107.
Oh.
Oh,
I
okay.
mean, we're not talking a big deal here. By the weekend, you'll feel it different.
Okay.
But by the weekend seems a long
It
way
does,
away,
actually.
doesn't it?
It's so weird to see it like this, though.
Yeah.
Maybe fire?
You know, that's a good point. It could be a little hazy. And, you know, we do still get a little bit of a sea breeze that sets up late in the afternoon and stays with us a little bit during the morning hours. So that brings in just a little bit of cloud coverage. But I mean, it's so thin and it's confined for the coastal areas. It's really not going to cool down the coast much either. But at least it does bring you relief overnight. Now, 82, the coastal high today, 93 downtown. And we're still looking at the excessive heat warning and throughout all Southern California. 108 for the IE. San Fernando, San Gabriel Valley is hot. Inland Orange County, you'll find triple digits in Inland Orange County up against the foothills, and 110 in the high desert. So again, really, all things considered, if we're cooler today, it's a degree or two. You're not going to feel a difference. It's still hot. But we do see a little bit of a cool down heading towards Friday, and then more so over the weekend, which we'll talk more about in a few minutes.
All right, yeah, and I was wondering about that. Even yesterday, I noticed, I couldn't tell if it was, you know, smoke from a fire or maybe just a little bit of cloud cover that is developing, but it didn't feel cool. So we will talk a little bit more in detail about some of the closures related to those fires. For now, anyway, the 60 eastbound side at the 710 freeway, they are calling for this crash. It's an overturned vehicle. Should be in the final stages. Happened about 1:30. Last tow truck getting on scene. Not a busy stretch. Maybe the driver confused by the interchange, and that's how the car ended up losing control and overturning. There is something that we want to make sure you're well aware of in terms of that situation on the 5 North. So because of the root fire, obviously, that happened last week, the initial discussion was that those lanes would reopen by today. They had closed it down. We told you that last couple of days. 5 northbound side between Lake Hughes to Templin Highway, with those 2 right that had been the 2 lanes closed. This is a different story now. Yesterday, they put out all the information in the email saying that they will have to go until further notice. So that tells us there may have been some type of structural damage. They are not calling it exactly that, but that is the case. After, remember, we're talking about the fire that jumped. And so because of that, at least there is some compromise with the freeway, and the reason they're going to keep those 2 right lanes for now anyway closed. They went with until further notice. Could wrap up by later today. It could be the whole week. We'll stay on top of it for sure. It's something you need to know about. South is open too. All right, guys, I'll send it back to you.
Ginger, thank you. 4:03 is the time. A fast-moving brush fire in Riverside County left 2 people dead. The Fairview fire started yesterday about 2 p.m. near Fairview Avenue and Batista Road. At first, it was estimated at 20 acres, but it quickly grew. CAL FIRE says as of late last night, it burned 2,000 acres. It is 5% contained this morning. 7 structures were destroyed. Several others were damaged. Evacuations were ordered for about